In this video, I want to show you how you can unban your WhatsApp account in 3 easy steps. As you can see that my WhatsApp here is banned. If you can read this message, this account can no longer use WhatsApp. So I want to use this process to show you how I'm going to unban this account in 3 easy steps. So first of all, let's do this. Now what you have to do, come over to here, go to your Chrome browser. Now come over to here, then you type in contact. You type in this contact WhatsApp. So you type in this and you click on search. So as you can see, you click on this one here, click on the first one here, you allow it to load. All right, now you come over to here, see this place that is written contact us, then you click on there. So all right, now this is what you have to do. You have to fill in this form here. So let me zoom in so you can see. Now first of all, I'm in Nigeria. I'm just going to put in my country. So I'll type in Nigeria. All right, so I'll type in the phone number of the WhatsApp account, which is banned. So I'll type in the phone number. All right, so as you can see, now what I have to do, I will type in my email address. So I'll use in this one. So I'll confirm the email address. So I'll confirm the email address, which is all right. Now you can see this place. How do they use WhatsApp? So I'll put in Android now. Now this is what you do. After I've gotten to this place now, I'm also going to leave this message, which I'm going to type here. I'll come over. You are going to type in a message here. So I'm just going to go over to my notes where I leave the message. You can see this message here. You can see this. You can screenshot it. So you can also use it on your own. So I'm going to copy this. I'll copy it. So I'll go over here. I'll come over to here. So I'll paste it. So as you can see, I've pasted the message here. So as you can see, I've pasted it here. Now, see, I'm going to click on next step. So let's wait for it to show. So now, we have come over to this, now I'm just going to click on send message. Now you can see that my question has been sent. As you can see, my question has been sent. As you can see, now this is the second step that we need to take. Now this is the second step that we need to take. Now come over to here, come over to your Play Store. So let me type in Play Store. All right, so let me open it. Now come over to here, then you click on search, then you type in WhatsApp. Right, then you open it. Now you come over, you click on it. Now you come over to here, app support, then you click on email. Now you come over to here, then you type in, then let me go back to my notes so I can also copy the message which I want to send. So let me come over to my note. First of all, I will copy the subject. I'll copy. So I'll come back here. I'll type in the subject. Now I'll also go back to the notes. So you can as well see the message here which I want to send. This is the first one which we send on Chrome. You can as well copy it, or you can as well write it down somewhere. So you can come over to here. As you can see, you copy everything. You can copy, come over to here, then you paste it. Now then you click on, as you can see here. So I will scroll down here. I want to use this one here. All right, so I want to use this one. Now as you can see, I'll just click on send. I'll click on send. You can see now I've gotten an email from WhatsApp support, as you can see here. Now what I have to do, I just have to wait for 24 hours to get their feedback. Now thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and make sure you like this video and also comment. Even if you have anything to say, you can tell me you are watching this video from. Thanks for watching.